Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that's all about getting the perfect blonde locks. The 32-inch 6113 30x6 lace front wig made with human hair. If you're someone who loves experimenting with their hair and is on the hunt for a high-quality wig that promises a natural look, this one might be on your radar. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First, let's take a look at the basics. This wig is crafted from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, which is a great foundation for achieving that natural look. The 6113 blonde color, a popular shade among wig wearers, offers a striking platinum blonde hue that complements a wide range of skin tones. The wig also comes with a 13x6 HD transparent lace frontal, which provides a generous parting space, making it ideal for a variety of styles, including middle parts, side parts, and even high ponytails. Now, the main selling points here. The wig boasts 200% density, which makes it look fuller and thicker than most wigs on the market. It's pre-plucked with baby hairs, which helps to give a more natural hairline. The HD lace is another highlight as it blends seamlessly with different skin tones, ensuring that the lace disappears almost as if it's your natural scalp. Plus, it's designed to be glueless, making it a great option if you're not into the hassle of glue or adhesives. In terms of performance, I tested the wig in a few different scenarios. The first thing I noticed was how soft the hair felt right out of the box. It's smooth and manageable, and it didn't shed, which is always a good sign. When it came to styling, I was impressed by the versatility. The 13x6 lace gave me plenty of space for styling the wig as I pleased, and the density kept it from feeling too thin. I was able to achieve a smooth, straight look with minimal effort, and I even tried a high ponytail, which held up nicely. The lace front melted into my skin seamlessly, so there was no visible line of demarcation. Now, while the wig performed well in a variety of styles, it's important to note a few potential drawbacks. The 6113 blonde color might not be for everyone, especially if you prefer a more natural dark shade. Additionally, while the wig is described as tangle-free, I did notice some mild tangling after a few hours of wear, though it wasn't anything too problematic to fix with a quick brush through. Also, if you plan to dye or bleach this wig, be sure to do a test strand first, as some users report that the 613 color can be a bit tricky when it comes to processing. Is this wig worth its price? Well, considering the 200% density, natural look, and high-quality human hair, it does offer good value for money. However, if you're looking for a wig that's a bit more on the affordable side, there are some alternatives out there that might not offer the same level of fullness, but still provide a solid wear. It's a matter of balancing your budget with the features you need. As for build quality, this wig is solid. The lace is soft and comfortable, and the hair feels smooth and thick without being overly heavy. The fact that it holds up well to styling and doesn't shed easily adds to its longevity though. Like all wigs, it will require proper care to maintain its appearance. Now, I didn't have any issues with customer support, but the brand does have a solid reputation for delivering quality wigs that meet customer expectations. So, if you have any concerns, it's likely they'll be addressed quickly. To wrap up, this 32-inch 613 blonde lace front wig offers a fantastic blend of natural look, styling versatility, and quality. It's perfect for anyone looking to rock that platinum blonde style with the flexibility of various parting options. However, be mindful of the tangling and the specific care it might require if you plan on altering the color. If this review helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other wig enthusiasts can discover this video too. Thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've tried this wig or have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. The link to get this wig is in the comments box, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep it beautyistic.